Place ang eksena, establisher ang kuha. Ang lugar, baby, madaling makikilala. Para may variation, sitner ang gamitin. Ipakita ang interviewee sa iba't ibang gawain. Pag-perspective ng reporter, point of view ang gamit, so you can show to all what he has seen. Nadi-nadi, ang shoot-shoot namin. The reporter is reacting. Ang purpose niya ay neutralizer. To know the reporter is there. This time around, the 7 best shots. Terrific shots for good voiceover. Ready na ba ang lahat ng tanga? Ito na ang unang-una. Kung close-up or wide shot, close-up ang piliin. Kung recent or filed, recent ang gamitin. Kung action or still shot, mas okay ang may acting para mas interactive ang dating. Simple shot lang ang gamitin, cause ang complex shot ay confusing. Natural sound, prefer din namin. Para at least realistic. Use people shots rather than empty. Viewers might think people are lazy. Shaky, shaky, it's not goody-goody. Use a tripod to remain still. Sana, sana, may natutunan. Para realistic shots makuha, pwede ka na mag-cameraman. At di matawag na tanga. Tanga! Professor Chowa, sana pumasa. Ang concept na pakanta-kanta. Huwag sana best lang ang lupig namin. Sana this time uno pa rin. Ow!